Read me, with topic.
Doodling school.
3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Doodling school. Doodling school is not a widely recognized concept, but doodling generally refers to the act of making quick and often meaningless drawings or sketches. While doodling is often seen as a distraction or a sign of boredom, research suggests that it can actually have cognitive benefits such as improving memory, concentration, and creativity. Some educators have incorporated doodling into the classroom as a way to engage students and enhance learning. Doodling school could refer to a school or program that specifically focuses on incorporating doodling as a teaching and learning tool, but such schools or programs are likely to be uncommon.